we're here at Shoe Healer and we've had these boots brought in for stretching. Fairfax and Favor. They make a nice boot. It's absolutely fine. It's lovely uppers. Not the best sole part, but it's absolutely fine, I would think, for the money. And a few of these come in now and again for stretching. Look at that there. Look where we're stretching this here, trying to get some more width into this boot for the lady. And what we've done is look at that there. Look, we've got two lovely shaped pieces of wood that go into the boot, and then we ram these wedges in just to pull that out. We give it a good dousing with our stretcher spray, and then we wrap it in polythene so the stretcher spray doesn't just evaporate off. It gets to soak into the leather and let these give. You can see the room that we've got on there and the difference that's making. Now, of course, there's some elastic in the back of this boot, so that will give as well. But once it's been on there, we hope that the leather will relax into shape and give a little bit. Probably just how they would be if you wore them in. But this is a little bit of help for you, and we can probably get you something like 1/2 inch on the width of a boot like this.